Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. This is Nessa CX Beauty, and today we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 2022 mystery box for Valentine's Day, the Supreme one. Now this box contains 15 items and I purchased it for $180, so we're gonna see if this is worth it. I usually get some giveaway items in here, so I'm excited for that, but there's also a limited edition highlighter palette, and I fell in love with the one that they put in for last year, so I had to get this box. So if you're interested in seeing that, just continue watching. Alrighty, so I've already gutted the tape, and we're just gonna head into the box now. There is red paper, going through that. The first thing in the box is the Jeffree Star Skin little pamphlet. It's coming, it's skincare. I'm excited for that as well. But the next huge thing in here is the Nude Vault, the Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Vault. This includes Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Madder, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. This is super exciting because I'm all about the nudes. However, a few of these might show up in a giveaway, like maybe these four. They look a tad bit too light for me. These four seem like they'll work on me. So that is Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, and Posh Spice. Those might end up in a giveaway. But yeah, this is the first makeup item in the box. This does contain the swag as well because it did ask for size, and I see that there's a t-shirt in here. So we're gonna open her up. And this is the t-shirt. I buy these to go to sleep. I got this in a medium, and there's the little Jeffree Star emblem with the heart. And then in the back, there is the Jeffree Star emblem with the heart that says Heartbreaker. And so that is the shirt item up in here. Next up, I have the Orgy palette. So I do already own this eyeshadow palette. It came in one of my other mystery boxes in the past. So this one I won't even open up. It's gonna go into a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And then we have a whole bunch of singles. This is the single Razor Blade. It is a metallic silver. It looks super pretty. I have to look at if I have any of these because some of them will probably be in a giveaway, like Yak Farm. This is definitely in an eyeshadow palette that I already own, so this will probably go in a giveaway. There is the shade Only Child. I'm not sure if I have this one, but there she is. It looks like a brown that's like a little tad bit purple. And then we have Weirdo, which I have. It's just a black shade. I did purchase the Halloween mystery box, and I believe that shade is in the Weirdo palette, so there she is in the center. So I do not need this single shade either. After that, there is a little, what is this? A Starlight Selfie light. A Star Selfie light? I think he did show this in the previews. I'm not too interested in this. This is actually pretty cute, but like you attach it to your phone and it turns on. This might end up in a giveaway, to be honest, because even if I say I'm gonna keep it, I'm not gonna use it. So might as well give it away if I'm not gonna use it, because there's so many things that I just don't use. Then we have the gloss in the shade Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. So I'm guessing this is a clear gloss. I might just give this to my mom because she likes like how these glosses smell. So I'm gonna open this one up since I won't be putting it in a giveaway, just to see how it looks. Yep, it's just a clear gloss with nothing special, but the packaging is beautiful, and this may definitely go to my mom. And then we have the gloss in Heaven's Gate. Now I'm not sure if I have this one. Let me look really quickly just to make sure. All right, I was correct. I do already own Heaven's Gate. It's actually the only gloss that I bought from the cremated collection because I thought it was stunning with all the silver reflect. So this Heaven's Gate will go in a giveaway. This Heaven's Gate is my personal one. This is huge. Honestly, I don't use Jeffree Star mirrors, but This is the Heartbreaker Mirror. He has the little window so you can see it. And there she is. This will probably end up in a giveaway as well. Let me be very real. I don't use any like handheld mirrors. I don't see the point in them for me. So this one will probably end up in a giveaway. I think it's a dope giveaway item for people who actually use mirrors, because Jeffree Star mirrors are very good quality and they're huge. So you can just like put it in front of your face and do your makeup. Next up is the Super Gloss in Improper. Let me see how this looks. I don't own, wait, no, I'm lying. I own one super, ooh, this is pretty. I kind of want to try this. This is a cute shade. Oh my god, the doe foot applicator. This looks really, oh wow. It smells a little funny, but I love the shade. Improper. Beautiful. I'm gonna keep this one. I don't really use glosses, but this one has sold me. It's gorgeous. It just smells a little weird. Oh, and I missed a single eyeshadow. This is Owl Eyes. You can see the shade right there. It looks like a copper gold. Again, I just have to check if I have any of these, and if I don't, they'll end up in a giveaway. We have a velvet trap in Ranch Girl. Ranch Girl. I love the little components. Ranch Girl looks like this. It looks a tad too light, and I'm not the biggest fan of the Velvet Trap formula. I do prefer his regular old bullet lipsticks, but we'll see if this ends up in a giveaway. Again, I opened it up, so I don't know if I should put it in a giveaway. And then we have the Magic Star Concealer in the shade Yellow. And this is an interesting thing to put in a mystery box, because not everybody is, you know, needs a yellow corrector. But oh! I always do this to all of my Magic Star concealers. I break the star. So there she goes. This is the shade Yellow. I think it'll go perfectly well with me, but I'm not sure if this is a great product for everyone to have, especially since it's a complexion product in their mystery boxes. But it worked out in my favor because this looks like it'll work for me. Then we have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Lip Scrub in Rainbow Sherbet. So there she is. I do not use the lip scrubs. This is also ending up in a giveaway. Y'all, I literally just bought this for the highlighter. Ooh, what is this? Cutthroat Love. Oh, what? This is a velour liquid lipstick? A mini velour liquid lipstick? Or a real one? I don't, what? It's actually super cute. Cutthroat Love. I'm guessing this is an exclusive in the box, but it's super pretty. There she is, swatched. It's a little bit reminiscent of unicorn blood. It doesn't smell like unicorn blood. It's a little bit reminiscent of unicorn blood, but it definitely has a little bit more pink in it than unicorn blood. This is exciting. I did not know that this would be in the box. I also didn't watch anybody's videos, so I can be surprised. And then we have the Velour Lip Liner in Calabasas. Let me check really quick if I already own this. Scorpio, Celebrity Skin, and Calabasas. Okay, so I definitely already own Calabasas. I'm gonna swatch her right here. A beautiful, soft lip liner that I already own. So this one is going into the giveaway because your girl, I don't be using up lip liners, to be honest, so it's just better for somebody else to own it instead of me hoarding it like everything else. But this is the baby that I literally bought the box for, so I hope this doesn't disappoint. It's the highlighter palette exclusive that he said he would never make ever again, and it's solely in this box. So I did not put highlighter on my face today just to try this out. This is the Heartbreaker limited edition highlighter palette. Ooh, okay. Okay. I didn't see the inside of it yet, so I didn't know how it would look. But this is how it looks. Single Forever, Murder is Fun, and Frosty Heart. Let me just swatch them out. 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 shades swatched out. They are pretty, but I prefer the Peppermint Skin Frost palette that came out last year, I believe. This one was just like so beautiful, like from the get-go. These, I know they're gonna look pretty on the face, but like when you open it, I was like, kind of looks like the same thing. Like Murder is Fun kind of looks like Princess Cut, so I don't really know, but we're gonna put her on because this is the literal reason I bought this freaking box. But I'm gonna go into Single Forever. Let me put more. And y'all, that is Single Forever. It's actually really pretty, but I don't know what I expected from this from this highlighter palette. I'm gonna go into Murder is Fun, which is the pink one, and put it on my other cheek. You do see the pink a tad bit, but it doesn't look bad. Murder is Fun looks beautiful. Last but not least, Frosty Heart. I don't know how this is gonna look on me. We're gonna put her on the nose. Oh yeah, you can't really see it on the camera, but it looks like it has pigment. It actually diffuses pretty beautifully, but upon first application you definitely see the color of the product, so be light-handed with that shade. And these are the 3 shades all on my skin. I think the pink one is kind of my favorite. Murder is Fun. Frosty Heart I could live without. Single Forever is beautiful. I love gold eyeshadows, gold highlighters on me. But yeah, that was my box. We have a lot of things that I do already own, but again, I do just put those in giveaways, so it works out in my favor regardless. And I did mention that I got the October mystery box, so I'm just gonna tell y'all what I got from there because I never made a video. I got the Weirdo palette, which you saw earlier. Whoop, and there she is. Honestly, I've never used her. I miss filming so bad. And then I got a whole bunch of things for a giveaway because I already have some of these and I don't want some of these. So I got the shade Money Honey in the Supreme Frost, which I already own. It's beautiful, beautiful. This, gorgeous. It's the only Supreme Frost I bought from the launch, and then I ended up getting another one. And then I have the Velour Lip Scrub in Witch's Brew, which I believe was a exclusive. I don't really remember. And then I got the Trap Velvet Gravedigger Lipstick. This is a gray velvet trap. And again, I don't really like the Velvet Trap formula, so this is also going in a giveaway. And then I got the, I think this is also an exclusive because it doesn't have a name. It just has like the little Halloween Jeffree Star emblem, and it's the Supreme Gloss. After trying the one that I have on, I kind of want to give this one a shot. So I will not be putting this in a giveaway, but it's a beautiful red. I just didn't realize that it would like look this pretty based on the one that I used today. So this one I am gonna keep. And then we have Scorpio, which I already do own. So I'm just gonna swatch her out. So the Scorpio is gonna be in a giveaway as well. This is Scorpio. It's a beautiful lip liner as well. So that's just a run through of my October box that I never filmed. And yeah, that concludes this video. Super freaking exciting. I am planning on maybe doing a comparison video between these two to see which one I prefer between the limited edition highlighter palettes. So let me know if you do want to see that. Again, I apologize for my absence on YouTube. I did catch COVID. I got a promotion at my job and my life has just been a busy mess. but I love filming and it's what excites me. So I'm very happy to have filmed this video and I appreciate you spending this time with me. So have a great day or night wherever you are in the world and I hope to see you soon. Bye.